Yeah, just when you have these out of stock items, they really screw up your seller metrics. I tend to just delete everything that goes out of stock.
I deleted all the listings under 25 views. I did like 1,000 at once.
Like 4,000 a month for like 2 weeks. After that, though, it's back up to like 8, 9,000. What matters is activity. He's got three accounts like going up to 25K listings, and they're each bringing in, 2,000 a month.
Copy and paste the money.
Welcome to NOYON Dropshipping. The future of online business starts here.
If you have an item that nobody clicks on and within, 30 days or 15 days or whatever, that's lowering your metrics because nobody's clicking on it. eBay sees that as a dead item. You know what I mean? If a lot of people are clicking on it and viewing it, adding it to carts, whatever, they consider that a hot item. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
10 recently viewed in the last 24 hours, or whatever the case is.
Yeah.
Same concept, so it's like having too many that aren't doing any numbers, or like I said, so it's like that's why every 15 to 30 days I'll just sit there and prune back down a little bit of just
Yeah. Wait.
items of under, I think I told you, like under 25, you know
Yeah. Yeah. So,
even two views, 5 views, 10 views, 15, 20, 25.
uh,
Eventually, like you could get rid of a lot of items, and then
yeah.
only replace them with just hot selling stuff.
Okay. Okay. Wait, Jonathan, what were you saying though? What were you trying to say?
Yeah, just when you have these out of stock items, they really screw up your seller metrics. So once the tracker runs, you got like 800 out of stock, delete them as soon as possible. For my VAs, it's next day you delete them.
Oh,
You don't
shoot.
want
Okay.
this.
Jonathan, I'm sorry, cut you guys off. I have 7.1K on unsold. Is that like really bad? Should I just like delete?
It's the if you go, it should be status out of stock. Those specific items are the ones you should
Oh,
delete.
okay. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
by the way, I don't know if you heard,
Yeah.
but I was trying to tell you, I only have like 32. I'm doing it right now. I'm fixing them, but I just wanted to tell you I only have 32. I had 800 items that were in stock on eBay, but through Amazon they actually are out of stock. But yeah.
Yeah, so you still want to delete those
Yeah,
items.
I'm getting rid of
Trackers
those
should
anyway.
pick
Yeah.
them up as and mark them out of stock because those are not items you
Yeah.
want to sell because now you gotta fix the issue because they're out of stock on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Jonathan, what if they were ones that it's sold repeatedly, but they're like just temporarily?
Oh, that's a great point. For me, it's like you sell so much stuff, I don't really care about specific items. I tend to just delete. But if it's like an item you truly love, you can keep it and just keep dealing with the customers, and eventually hope it comes back in stock, right? But every single time it's out of stock, you can't send them the same item anymore. So now, you got to deal with the customer, and there's just a higher chance that they're going to leave a negative or get pissed or get angry, right? So I tend to just delete everything that goes out of stock.
And so I did the other day, I went in and I deleted all the listings under 25 views. I did like 1,000 at once and it got rid of a bunch. Is that good? Should I continue to do
That's
that?
good, bro. Yeah, yeah. So on my first account, again, fluctuations happen month to month, but like when stuff slowed down for me, I pruned off like 7,000 listings, and then you can just start listing again. And I promise if you keep listing, pruning, like I noticed there was a temporary decrease in sales, but eventually everything goes up. Like let's say the account was doing 6,000 a month before in revenue, you
Uh-huh.
prune, it goes down to like 4,000 a month for like 2 weeks. After that though, it's back up to like 8, 9,000 because you keep listing. So what matters is activity. I honestly think that's the highest leverage arm.
They like to see
Activity.
the bulk listing that
Yeah, yeah. Like you don't list to 10K and then never do anything again. You're deleting, you're listing again, you're deleting, you're listing again. And then if you want to be super smart, that's where you look into like niches, higher quality items. That's where you get like crazy results. It's how you can get 30, 40 sales a day. Uh,
with what?
like if you want to go beyond just activity, that's when you look into like niches, product substitution.
Yeah. I'm
Uh,
gonna try to do that on or not on this account. I think I was thinking about doing it on my like when I make that new account,
yeah.
focus on it more. I think this one I'm gonna focus more just straight bulk listing and like
Yeah, and again, for anyone that doesn't have a lot of time, like I have a friend who literally just bulk lists, does not do any competitor tracker stuff, and he's been doing it longer than me. He's got three accounts like going up to 25K listings, and they're each bringing in, 2,000 a month. So you can do a lot with just bulk listing. Like it's a very powerful method, especially when you consider it's pretty simple. So you can get pretty far with just that.
yeah. And um, so yeah, do you have anything else you recommend I should
I
too.
recommend listening to Theo. He's a smart guy, and I agree with what he said. Like, look into niches. Like, that's something I also do. Like, you have a niche that's selling well, you look for like a bunch of other similar items, right? And you list them all.
Exactly.
But
Copy and paste the money, bro. That's
Yeah.
and
it's
you
it's
have
pretty much a
to
simple process. So it's like